I chant eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I wreck the mic like a pimp shows. Here's how it goes, I am a genius, I mean this. I shape this, you'll tape this. I'm kinda fiendish. You wish that you could come and
check it out, it's your man Dot-X. Understand True Wine Connoisseurs, Season 2, Episode 11. Understand Dot-X is here. Will Tell on the controls as usual. Got my man Shine on right here. Understand we got something today from the good people of Behind Street Imports, and they coming out of Philadelphia, PA. Understand, they sent us some joints. I don't make it up. It says samples for Dot-X. Enclosed there's a bottle of each of the wines. I've attached the pricing. So we got Misfits Brujeria. Look at the Brujeria. It got like some vampire teeth on it. Like taking a bite out of this shit. We got Box Head. Check the Box Head out. Understand, it's a dude with a box head. And we got the formula. Understand, Vine Street, they've by far come up with the cleverest covers for their bottles, you know what I'm saying, decals or whatever you want to call it. True Wine Connoisseurs, we back, and also this is a special episode, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm fighting the battle, y'all. Fighting the battle against a giant named Newport. And right now, I ain't even gonna front. It's like, remember when Japan gave us that quick sneak thief over there in Pearl Harbor? That's what I'm feeling like right now. Like a jab to the ribs. And when the Nazis ran through Poland, and one day when the Polish Jews came out on horses, remember how they came out on horses and the tanks ran them over in one day? That's what I'm feeling about. We're gonna get into it more. We're gonna do some music today, and understand I'm having a battle against the Jolly Green. I'm having a battle against the Jolly Green Giant, and his name is Newport. Syndication of this place, True Wine Connoisseurs. Let's get it, ladies and gentlemen. Today's the first day that I've stopped smoking cigarettes, and I've put myself right into the pit of hell, because as we look to the right, Shine on, my man Twan has a cigarette in his hand right now, and I'm not gonna front. It's smelling like a steak right now. It's smelling like a steak. I was running around, so I was moving all day. I didn't really have a chance to soak everything in, but now I'm sitting down. You see, we got the wine, we got a thing of bite, and now he got the cigarette, and it's like, it's feeling like a steak right now, so I'm gonna try to fight this off, y'all. If y'all got suggestions, send them in. Somebody said chew a toothpick. A toothpick does nothing for me right now, okay? If I chew the toothpick, I'll probably stab myself in the throat, all right? There's a lot of smoke coming from that side, and it's smelling like a steak. Let's get into the music. True Wine Connoisseurs, I gotta fight. Let me ask you, these are questions that, like, what am I supposed to do after drinking? Boom. What am I supposed to do after eating? What am I supposed to do, like, when I take a shit some days? You know, you take a shit and smoke good. What am I supposed to do now? Like, shoot, I'm like, somebody said, and I understand that, man. And don't take it personal. I'm a little on edge right now. Today at the house, my girlfriend was calling me. She was like, I'm like, what the fuck do you want, yo? Don't you see I'm going through some shit right now, yo? I'm not smoking. Like, leave me alone, yo. So, I'm a little edgy right now, and I might be that way for a couple of weeks. So if I see you, and like, y'all see me on the X, I'll be like, yo, man, I can't even, don't take it personal, man, because I'm on the edge right now. I got a habit, man. It was a real habit. I didn't realize it was a habit, but now, I'm safe to say, like, when you go to the light, to the meeting, I'm like, hi, my name is Dot-X, and I'm a cigarette smoker. You know what I'm saying? I need a group hug. Everybody come give me a group hug, man. Please, Jesus, please. I need laying of the hands, some holy water, like I need the beads, some juice going back and forth rocking. I need something like maybe get on my knees a lot. Something, I need that, yo. I gotta get on my bean. I just need some help right now. But True Wine Connoisseurs, Vine Street, man. I'm loving y'all. Love the covers. Brujeria, I might have to take a bite. I might start biting niggas like Brujeria right here. I don't know. I'm saying a lot of things, I'm moving fast, I have a lot of snacks, I got a lemon heads, butter crunch cookies. I don't know what we're gonna do, but True Wine Connoisseurs, so the case of this place, y'all know how we rock, we're taking it on the road soon. Check it out, that's what it is.
I got a smoke right now. Right now, like, I've been drinking a bite, man. Let me take a bite. Shine on right here. I've been missing for a minute, but I'm back. Look, I got the Henny, look. This axe right here, chop your head off, so I gotta smoke a Newport with this, cause yo, it balances it off, and then it keeps me in the right mind, man. These guys quit. Will Tell he quit, he behind the camera, so Dot-X he quit. But you know what? Shine on gonna smoke, cause I gotta scrap.
I know what I'm supposed to do. You heard the thing, like when I just can't smoke, I'm smelling it. It's like, like what I'm supposed to do.
Look, see, I'm about to light it, look.
Jesus.
I'm about to light it.
Oh, mother, put the cross, please. It's a cross, please, Jesus.
Look.
Put the cross out.
You see, Sadai,
I'm like Bram Stoker. Like, remember when Bram Stoker, when dude was floating and Bram Stoker, he was like, ooh, but you didn't see no shadow? I'm like that right now. I'm like, when he snatched the cross, he was like, that does nothing. I'm like, what am I supposed to do now? I'm like, that's like, I'm like, he's like Bram Stoker to me right now. I'm
see
like,
this?
oh,
Look,
Jesus Christ.
look.
Oh Jesus!
And I'm blowing
look how he's like move the cigarette. Move the cigarette. Look how I'm following. Like move it over there. I'm like this. I'm like
crazy.
Now I'm over here. Now I'm over here. Now I'm over here. Oh God! Please help me, Jesus. Two wine connoisseurs, please, y'all. Syndicate to this place. Do something. Oh God. Yo, check it out. It's Dot-X, man. Y'all still here following me on my daily struggle. My man Will Tell is gonna be chronicling this. And like today we rock with the formula for my people from Vine Street. You know, we rock with that. And the formula was good, man. You see what it is? It's like a piece of loose leaf note paper right here. And it was a good blunt, it was a good wine. I'm a little twisted, you know, not too much. I would like a cigarette, but I'm not gonna smoke a cigarette, but you know, the fucked up factor on this, I say it's about a 7. And see now, I'm just gonna be drinking more because I can't smoke. And it's like, we get ready to move on to the Buhera. And you know, like the Buhera, like look at this shit right here. It got fangs, like 2 fangs. So we're gonna rock with this. Vine Street, they coming out of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. That's only 90 miles away from the Apple. This is how we rock.
Newport's in the house, shine on. You know what it is.
Newport's,
and I'm here.
And today it's like Newport's versus Dot-X. It's like Pearl Harbor, yeah, Dot-X. It's like Poland, yeah, and the Nazis, Dot-X. So I'm fighting the battle, people. Pray for me, man, because it's going to be a hard battle, man. I mean, Will Tell is doing a lot better than I am. Right now, I almost broke. If he would have broke, I would have broke. Now, see, I was hoping that he would break, but then he didn't break, and then now I can't break. So, you know, it's fucked up, man. I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna do. If y'all see me on the street and I be on some bullshit, just give me a couple of weeks, man, to wean this out of me, man, because it's like a drug, yo. For real. I see now, like, I don't want to be doing like, and that's not funny to be like, but this is some real shit. Like, I don't want to be that dude, man, and it's like, it's hard, man. I'm like, this shit got me, man. It's like, oh, man, I never thought like, I was like, wow, but we're going to get through it. True Wine Connoisseurs, Vine Street, they helped us out today. They was a special, they hold a place in my heart.
Yo, what was the fucked up factor on that first formula?
On that one? About a 7.
I don't know, that formula got me kind of nice right now.
It's good. That's good with like some lamb chops or some veal. You know what I'm saying? The sommelier in me says veal, lamb chop, something light. You know, you get your pan and you season your pan, put a little oil in it, a little garlic, you sizzle it around. I had lamb chops yesterday, abunganza. I should have bought the bones over here for my man Debo, because me and Debo rock like that. Debo's the pit bull. Me and him got like a relationship. He found my keys one day. That's a whole next story. But you know what I'm saying? True Wine Connoisseurs, Vine Street, they rock with us. Fucked up factor on this was about a 7 or 8, but it was a good factor. You know, it's good. Something for you and your lady. You know, it's raining today, so y'all sit in the crib, look at a movie or something, lay low, because you know you gotta do that with your lady some days, you know what I'm saying? It's hard for me. I've been traveling around, so my whole system of thought is a little different, but sometimes you gotta lay back with your lady, have a little wine, smoke something, drink something, have a nice meal. Vine Street, that's what it is. True Wine Connoisseurs, Will Tell, man, 20 rank shine on.
You know we here.
You know what I'm saying? Dot-X, we get ready to pull Black into the studio. Sean Black, you can only come some days because he's a soloist. I feel like when things are going like the soloist, Sean Black, will be here next time. That's
Sean
how we
Black.
rock.
Yo, big up to my nigga Sean Black, man. I love him, man. That's my nigga, man.
No doubt.
Can't forget Delaware, Philly, PA, what you say now? Yeah, I'ma bring it on back to town. Send a big shout out to the Boogie Down.